Hello, this is one of Colin's friends. I'm going to be flying this remote control helicopter.
Look.
And look, Colin's got his ceiling fan right there. Alright, this video is going to be about me flying this remote control helicopter right there. And this is what it does. It's a nice helicopter too, guys. And it came at a very good price. How much was this helicopter, Colin?
I have no clue, Ryan, because I wasn't at Walmart. Well, it was purchased at Walmart, and I can see the price, because I wasn't even there.
Oh.
Hold on, Ryan. Ryan, hold on.
I'm not. No, I know. I know how to fly it. I'm not gonna hit you. It's not gonna hit you. Trust me.
I know. I just said I could do something. It's just necessary thing. Not just down, though.
All right. That's all. That's all for this helicopter, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and say your favorite, Colin. So make sure to like and subscribe.
And stay tuned for more.
Yeah, and favorite also too, and that would be all. See ya. Bye.